Hello guys, so today we are doing Pokemon Go. You might have saw my other videos today. I forgot to do screen recording earlier, so I caught a bit, which no Galarian birds off the daily instance. It's still on. I'm using my roar of time on Dialga, or Dialga's using roar of time. Yeah, I have Dialga. It's the Origin Form 1. I also have the Star Piece Lucky Egg popped on. Nothing good is spawning. Oh, imagine a Galarian bird happens to spawn now. What just spawned? Not a Galarian bird, but it's a Chimchar. Whew. Gosh, in my head. Please. No. I need to hit the grate. Please. Bro, I always hit it in the same spot. Maybe I'll just stop even trying to catch this. Oh, I caught it. Why? Why now? Okay, Chimchar was caught. I'll catch the Eevee evolution. So, okay. Oh, so today is gonna cross my fusion rate day. It hasn't started yet. It's not 2 p.m. yet. Yeah. I will be grinding those a bit. So I don't know if I'll grind enough for the fusions. How long do the fusions last? Are they forever, or like kind of like mega evolutions? That's like 8 hours. I don't know. Okay. Nothing spawning on the daily. Cuba? Thought it was a. Ooh, what is this? It's a Delibird. It's not a shiny, sadly. Okay. I'm gonna use a Great Ball. Why? Because I want to. Hey, great. For the Great Ball. Yes. Yes, dude. Yes. Please. Yeah, nothing good. Poke just stuck the. Any raids nearby? 5 raids. Yeah, pretty much level 1 raid. I don't have any remote raid passes. I did one of these already, actually. Well, what just spawned? This is on the daily instance. I don't think we're catching a bird. And by the way, I do raids because I want the XP. Also for the rare candies because, you know, for Dialga. Oh, Gastly. Trying to get the Dynamax Gengar. I don't think I'm gonna get the Gigantamax. Got some Genesect. Like when Genesect was, you know, in raids. Yeah. And Roar of Time has 4 seconds. Yeah. And yes. Done. So it's been 4 minutes of this video. Technically, it's been like 15 minutes of this walk. And guys, you want to see what I have? Oh, Score Bunny! Want me to do something crazy? When I did a Genesect raid, this was one of my recommended Pokemon, a Score Bunny. Because I had every other fire type in it. I had other fire types. And this is what it wanted. So I didn't know why. I guess. I guess because I couldn't decide. Come on. Dude, that one's trash. And guys, hold on, I want to do it, please. I just want to show you. I just want to show you. Yeah. I can't. It's because I can. Okay. Whew. I just want to show you. Whew. Mega shiny Latios. I got this on my second raid of Latios, which is insane. Look at this good boy. It's my buddy. Oh. No, wrong Pokemon. That. Let me feed my... Okay. Oh, good boy. Yeah, you can have one of these. I just took 2 pictures. I don't know why. I just wanted to. Okay, now we should be on my adventure. Let's go that way. Again. Look at it. Whew. Yeah. Okay. Oh, sand shoe. Whew. I don't go on walks every day. Yeah. Boom. Who's a Galarian bird? Oh, Scyther though. Definitely a good grab. Yeah. Yes, bro. I guess that this is the duck part. Oh, 10, it's a funny one. Yeah. I must warn you, there is brain rot in there, so good luck. Oh, my trap. Oh, this is all my daily incense. I really don't need its candy anymore because I already evolved it to a Machamp, a Dynamax one. I also do have Gigantamax Lapras. Well, he's in the sky. Where is he? He's right there. Yeah. Guys, comment, what do you think your favorite Pokemon is? Mine is Pikachu. Yeah. I also do have a shiny Pikachu. And so it works in my Pokedex. I have no idea why I don't have this. Also, I do have Kyogre, but no Groudon. I did fight Groudon, but of course I didn't catch it. I've caught a shiny Zacian. Like when Zacian was in raids. By the way, I do also have the mythical Metaletta. I don't think it's in research anymore. And I also have Shaman. I don't have Mew yet. I haven't done the mythical discovery of research yet. Why? Because I don't have enough candy for the Gyarados. And why do I not? Well, I'm not wasting my rare candies on it. Ekans. I'm not even paying attention to my daily incense timer. What is it at? 7 minutes. Yeah. Create my Pokemon storage. Boop. You know, I'm just gonna kind of just transfer random. You know, I have a bunch of those. Don't need these. Yeah, I'll just keep these. Don't worry, if you're gonna ask me if I'm ever gonna transfer Sinistea, I know if they're phony or authentic. I already checked. Oh, I got 3 XLs. Let's go. It's crazy. Nothing's spawning on the daily incense. It's kind of not good. What is this? Oh, I caught this recently. I'm gonna use a berry because yeah. Good grab, baby. I got one with like way lower CP than this. Yeah, way lower. Good IVs? Nah. The last one was better IVs. Or, I already saw this. I'm just gonna catch it. Bro, stop it. I'm not catching. You're not. You know what? You're gone. You're gone. What is that? Whooper. Ugh. Bad at catching. Bro, I've been playing this game for a year. When am I gonna find a shiny? I don't have any shinies. Like today. I have 12 shinies. That's it. 12 shinies. 2 are legendary. Which is good. I don't have Gyarados. I don't have any good. Gosh, we have 5 minutes left on the timer. Oh, Tangela. Huh? Oh, okay. But, okay, so I guess we're just gonna walk in the same area. Gosh, please. I critical caught that thing, bro. Let's go. Yeah. Shiny Voltorb. Is what happens when I don't get shinies? Bro, I don't get shinies. Whatever, maybe I'm saving my luck for shiny the Crossmire. I think I'll do a video today since the day is there. Yeah, the Crossmire day will be awesome. Yeah, I don't think we're getting anything great. Really, it's been 12 minutes. Yeah, Galarian birds, please. I'm not using Roar of Time again. I just don't want this video to be so long. I feel tired already. 4 minutes. I'm not here. Please. Please. I'm good. Proof shiny. No, I'm not even gonna catch it. Yeah. Watch, the Galarian birds will spawn in 2 seconds. 1, 2, Galarian birds. What are all these? Yeah. I've seen Zapdos before it ran. I don't have any of the Galarian birds. I just realized I've seen every single one except Articuno. I've never seen an Articuno. That's the thing. I don't have Articuno. Or even seen it. Yeah. Galarian Articuno is purple. I know it. I know it's purple. But I don't know if it's... I'm gonna end the video soon because I don't like doing long videos. 30 minutes, probably too much. Maybe subscriber specials, yeah. Yeah. I might just call it quits, bro. 2 minutes for one Galarian bird at least? No. I wish the Go Wild area event was still here. It was such a good event. One of the best. Because Go Savario both mighty Pokemon. That's how I got Electivire. My first one, I think. I've seen Electros, but I don't think I have Electros. Mighty Pokemon are also hard to catch unless you have some Ghost Fireballs. Because they're really good. Like, other than the Master Ball, it's really good. But they're removed because there was an event ball. Dude, 1 minute? Like 1.5 minutes. Bro, this is me when when I try to find Galarian birds. Like I always walk. Pretty much I also go in the car, but like when I was leaving Target, I found Moltres. I obviously tried to click it, but it was super hard to click. I clicked it, used the golden raspberry, used an ultra ball, missed the great and the excellent. Obviously didn't catch it. Ran away on the first ball, obviously. And yeah. And guys, I think I found a pink leaf. Yeah, just sitting on the floor with 40 seconds of the daily. It's just, if I don't, I just found okay. I just found like a pack wrapper on the floor of like Pokemon cards, bro. I can see a part of the gotta catch 'em all, dude. I don't think those are pack, bro. I did some card ripping on the channel, but like, I don't do it anymore. And my daily at the run. Please, please. And Galarian bird will not spawn. Okay. No, 18 Pokemon. That was decent. Nothing good spawned. No, I'm just gonna go back home and rest. Thank you for watching. Bye.